In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify eBay integration apps. We'll walk through connecting your Shopify store to eBay using the eBay integration (DPL) app, starting right from your Shopify admin and ending with a quick tour of the app's key sections. Begin by opening your Shopify admin. If you arrive on a different page, head back to the home dashboard to center yourself. From there, go to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps area, use the search field and start typing the app name so it appears in the results. When you see eBay integration (DPL), select it. On the app listing, you'll notice several highlighted prompts and buttons guiding you forward. Go ahead and click the highlighted areas as they appear to review the app's details. This usually includes scrolling through feature overviews, checking screenshots, reading key benefits, and seeing what permissions the app requests. Keep following each highlighted prompt so you progress smoothly through the listing. If you see more than one highlight in a row, continue clicking through them. The goal here is simply to reach the main install action after you've reviewed what you need. Once you're back on the eBay integration DPL listing card, click it again to focus the page, then choose Install. Shopify will show a confirmation screen. Click Install there as well to approve. After installation, you'll land on the app's onboarding or pricing view. If you need something tailored, look for the Need a Custom Plan option and open it to see how to contact the team or request a bespoke setup. Then, head into the subscription area to confirm that the pricing page is ready and accessible. Next, explore the available plans by opening each plan card. Click into the Gold plan to see what's included, then the Silver plan to compare, followed by the Platinum plan to review the higher tier features. You can revisit the Silver plan again if you want to double-check details. The idea is to preview each option before committing. With pricing understood, navigate through the app's core menus. Open eBay products to view or manage listings that sync to eBay. Then switch to Shopify products to see which items in your store are available for mapping or export. Move to Orders to review how imported eBay orders appear and what sync settings are available. After that, open Linked Inventory to confirm how stock levels connect between channels. If you see a Skip to Content link, click it to jump straight to the main workspace. This is especially helpful for accessibility and speed. Finally, return to the eBay integration DPL dashboard to wrap up. That's it. Your Shopify store is now set up with the eBay integration DPL app, and you've seen where to manage products, orders,